Today's class is retrieving data from multiple tables. So retrieving data from multiple tables can be done by two operations. One is set operations and other operations are joins. Okay, so we have set operations where the data can be retrieved as a form of combined data. And we have a second operation joins. It's a famous thing where we get the data as combination of data. Okay, so we are going to see joins, but before that we need to see the set operations. Retrieving data from single table. This we have seen so far. We have retrieved, we have fetched the data from single table with select operation. We have used many clauses also, where, from, order by, group by, having, etc. But now it's time to retrieve the data from multiple operations. So if you ask anyone, how would you retrieve data from multiple tables? Everyone would answer joins, because join is very famous. Join operations are very famous. We will have types of joins. But before that, we need to see set operations. Okay. Set operations means we have four types of operators. First one is union all. Union all. Second one is union. Third one is intersect. Fourth one is minus. So very common operations you have seen maths and data structures also. Fine. So these operations come under set operations. Now we are going to perform these operations on multiple tables. While retrieving the data from multiple tables, we can perform these operations based on our requirements. So before going to that, we need to see on what scenarios does we go with set operations. Usually people go with join operations and subqueries also, but set operations can also be done. And what kind of scenario does set operations requirements? Assume you have a company. So here is the diagram. You have a company, and your company has many branches, branch 1, branch 2, so and etc. Up to branch n. Assume some idea showroom or geo showroom, anything. So now, not only these mobile companies or anything, okay, you can imagine, or even colleges also. Assume better you take banks, okay, some ICICI bank or any bank. So now they have separate branches, right? Many branches. In a single city, they have many branches. Now, each branch will contain their own database. Branch 1 database, branch 2 database, branch 3 database, etc. So here, assume that this table contains customer details. Suppose a table is there. This database, in branch 1 database, we have a table, customer details. So customer name, customer phone, customer address, customer account number. Oh, we can ignore this. You can simply consider the normal things, C name, C phone, address. Because when you get into real environment, then you will understand what kind of attributes are going to be there. But for now, just for now, you can go with the simple attributes, right? We have no idea, we have no exact idea what kind of attributes they are going to have in the bank table, customer table. Okay, so for now, just we shall think only these three. Okay, so the thing is, for each branch in each database, the table will contain these attributes only: cname, cphone, address, etc. Here also in branch and cname, cphone, address, etc. Okay, so now in this scenario, if you want to get the data from all the branches about all the customers, then you can go with these set operations. Okay, I'm repeating. You have a you have a bank database, and that bank contains many branches. Actually, each branch has their own database. In the database, if you want to see from the database, if you want to see the customer information of all the branches, you would go for retrieving data from multiple tables concept. So here, in this situation, if you want get the information of all the customers from all the branches, you could easily go for set operation. Here union is applicable here. In such scenarios, set operations are used. This is just a simple example, simple scenario. There will be having many scenarios. Okay, so let us see what actually set operations are and what they are going to do, how they are going to be operated, and what the syntax is. Okay, I hope you understand this scenario. If not, you can search any website also for exact scenario where we use set operations. Okay, fine. So set operations are these four operations: union all, union, intersect, and minus. Set operations retrieve combined data, whereas joins operation retrieve combination of data. We shall see what actually combined data and combination of data during the examples, exactly during the join operations. Okay, in the coming classes, you will understand what is combined data and what is combination of data exactly. Okay, fine. So assume, and one more thing is there are rules for performing set operations. Set operations retrieve same data type of data. The table should have same data type of data. I mean, the query should contain same data types of data. And whereas join operations can have different data types of data. Let me write here. Okay, so same data type of data should be given. Data type of data. Okay, but here different data type of data can be given. You can see that, right? Different data type of data. And so there are some rules we shall see during the examples. Let me start with an example. First of all, let me show you the syntax of these set operations. How would you include these set operations in the queries? Okay, so fine. Suppose you have a select query. Why select query? Because the concept itself is that thing, right? Retrieving data from multiple columns. So retrieving data from multiple columns. Retrieving in the sense you have only one command, that is select command. So assume select star from one table. Suppose some branch one table, tr1, and you have one more. You need to add one more query. Select star from branch two. Okay, so br2. Now this is one select operation. This is one select operation. These two needed to be combined with any of these set operations. Okay, so if I include union all, this would generate me all the records from BR1 and BR2 table. Okay, so let me explain you clearly. Assume we have a table 1, not table 1, let me specify it with select statement 1. Okay, select statement 1, because the select statement, this statement would produce some number of records. Okay, next, select statement 2. So in select statement 1, assume I have retrieved some A, B, C, D, and PQ. Some PQ R. And from select statement 2, I have retrieved some XYZ, some P, Q, and B. These are the records I have retrieved. I have retrieved from select statement 2. Okay. Now, when we apply union all operation on SS1 and SS2, it would give me all the records from both the tables. Union all, this operation retrieve all the records from both the select statements. Okay, here not only two statements, you can give as many statements as possible according to your requirement. Okay, A B C D, next PQR. PQR. Okay, these are the results from select statement 1, and also the results from select statement 2 are retrieved from union all operation. Okay, so union all operation retrieves all the records from the select statements given, the records produced by select statements. Okay, here we have performed union all on both the select statements, right? That is why I got this output. Now, what does a union operation brings? The second one is union, right? So union is the second one, and union would give me all the records from select statement 1 and select statement 2, but it would remove duplicates. Okay, it is same as union all, but it would remove duplicates. Union all will have repeated values also. Here we have a, no, not a, p, q are repeated, and also b is repeated. So p, q and b are repeated in both select statement 1 and select statement 2. Suppose there is a customer who has record in both the branches. Okay, more than one branch, he has the account, right? Then his record will be retrieved in this result, and it will be displayed more than once. Okay, fine. So here the union will bring me the records, all the records, but it will eliminate the duplicate values, the repeated values. Therefore the results would be a, b, c, d, p, q, r, of course, and x, y, z. That's it. X, y, and z. Why P, Q, B are not included? Because P, Q and B are already there here, already retrieved. So they are eliminated. But here union all, it will include the duplicate values also. Now the next one, intersect. Intersect would get me the results. How it will get the results which are common in both the tables. So for intersect operations, a record must be available in both the select statements here. So what are the records here? P is available in both the statements. Q is available in both the select statements. And I mean the results which are retrieved from select statements. And also D is retrieved from both the select statements. So intersect means it would give me the common records. The common records from both the select statements. Okay. If you include 3 select statements, intersect applied on 3 select statements means it would produce the results, produce the records which are available, which are retrieved from all the 3 select statements. Okay, we shall see that. So right now what is the answer? P, Q and D. These are the common records from SS1 and SS2. And the last one, minus. Minus means a bit confusing. So minus operation would produce the results from the first select statement, and if any result is produced from the select statement, it would be eliminated from the first result. Didn't get it right? So let me result. It would first produce all the records from the select statement 1, p, p, q and r, and next the results retrieved from the second select statement will be compared, and if anything is available in the first select statement, it would be deleted. Minus means a, b. A is not available here in the second select statement. A is not available, fine. Y is not available, okay. Z is not available, okay. P is available, yes. P is there, right? So P will be eliminated. Minus, it means minus. And next Q is there, yes. Q is there, so minus Q. And next B, yes, B is there, minus B. In this way, the minus operation would eliminate records from first select statement if they are occurred in second statement also, and it is not going to add the second statement. Okay, second statement records. Remember that minus operation will perform minus operation only. Minus in the sense, you can understand, right? A, B, C, D, P, Q, R are appeared first, but in the second statement P, B, Q are appeared, therefore these three are eliminated from the result. That's it. Okay, so we shall see with examples. Let me open the database. So here I have 3 tables. Select, I'm here taking a college database, simple database. 3 simple tables where I have 3 tables, teachings, and second table is placements, and third table is some exam branch. Okay, exams. So there are some staff members belonging to teaching table, and these staff members will also be present in placements because the members, the staff, I mean the teachers or the professors who teach may also include in placement department also. Okay, and same way the teachers who are available in any of these tables may also be available in exam table also. Okay, in that way. Just like you can imagine branch 1, branch 2, branch 3 like that. Here I have taken a simple college database. So let me show you what data we have. So star, select all from teaching, the first table. Here I have three columns: EID, eName, ePhone number, some ID, staff ID and staff name and employee, I mean the staff phone number. Here you have Satish, Radha, Bhavana, Bhaskar. I have taken our college example only. And the second database is, the second table is placements. Placements department. This table will also include some data which may have records from the first table also. That means what I mean is, here you have Satish and Bhaskar, right? These two records are also present in teaching because they also teach and they belong to placement department also. Next, the third table, exam branch table, that is exams. The table name is exams. And you have some records, two records, Bhavana and Venkat Lakshmi. So in the first table, we have Satish, Bhavana, Radha, Bhaskar. In the second table, placement table, you have Satish and Bhaskar. In the third table, exam branch, you have Bhavana and Venkat Lakshmi. Okay. And the phone numbers and ID also matching. Okay. If the ID and phone numbers are different, if any of the column is different, that would be considered as a completely different record, not the same record. Okay. Remember that. Fine. So now let us perform operations. So let me get data from teachings. First one is selection from teaching. So let me copy and paste it. So this would be placements table. Placements. This would be exams table, exam branch. Okay, so now we have three select statements. First select statement is from teaching table. Second select statement is retrieving data from placements table. Third select statement is retrieving data from exams table. So we need to combine these three with any of these set operations. So let us go with union all first. So union all, and again union all. I am applying union all operation on these three tables. So what would I get? Union all would display me all the records from all the three tables here. So we have here ABCD PQR, right, and XYZ PBQ. All these records are retrieved with union all. So this is a simple operation. Run it. So there you go. You got 8 records. So Satish and Satish repeated, Bhaskar and Bhaskar repeated, Bhavana and Bhavana repeated. Right? The same data, complete. All three columns contain same data, 30102, 30102. Okay. So this is with union all. It would also include duplicate values. Okay. Union all would fetch all the records from the given select statements without eliminating the duplicate values. The second one is union all. Sorry, it's union. The second set operation is union, right? So union is also easy. It would perform the same operation as union all, but it would not include repeated values. Okay, so we are going to get all the records from the tables, but if any repeated value is there, it would be eliminated with union operation. So here we are not gonna get Satish 2 times, Bhavana 2 times, and Bhaskar 2 times. Only the records will be displayed one time, even if they are available more than one time. Okay, so let me change it to union. Let me change it to union. Right, run. So here you go. Only 5 records. No repeated values are there. That's it. Next operation is intersect. Intersect means it would display me the common records from the select one and select two and select and so on, all the select statements. So here we have 3 select statements. Let us join them with intersect. Let's not go with the 3 statements. Let me go with 2 statements. First we shall see union all. Okay, union all operation on teaching and placements table. So I got Satish, Radha, Bhavana, Bhaskar, Satish, Bhaskar. Okay, Satish and Bhaskar, these rows are available in both teaching and placements table. So now When I give intersect operation on these two select statements, intersect, okay, when I give intersect operation on these two tables, I'm going to get the common records from both the tables. Okay, only the common records. Intersection means common records. Run. Invalid statement. I guess what's wrong? Yeah, here you go. So Satish and Bhaskar, these records are available in both the tables. The common records from both the select statements. Okay, select statement 1, select statement 2. This has retrieved some 4 records and this has retrieved some 2 records. But the common records would be displayed as a final result in the intersect operation. Right? Fine. Next one, the last one, minus. Minus means the results from first select statement will be displayed, I mean will be taken, and the results of second select statement will be taken and compared with the first selection statement. If any record is available from both the statements, it will be eliminated. Okay, let me explain you again. So we have ABCD PQR here, SS1 and XYZ PQB. So ABCD PQR will be given directly. So let us write this way as per our convenience. ABCD PQR. Okay. And what is the result from second select statement XYZ PBQ, right? Among these, PBQ are available in this first result. Therefore, this PBQ will be minus performed. Okay. PBQ. Therefore, this will be the result ACDR. So here, let us take two tables. Same, the teaching and placements. Okay. So from in the teaching table, we have Satish, Bhaskar, Bhavna, Radha. Right. In the second select statement, we have Bhaskar and Satish. Right. Satish and Bhaskar. So now tell me, from these four, these two will be eliminated. Minus operation. So S will be removed and BH will be removed. So after minus, what are the records I have? BH, sorry, BV right here, Bhavna and Radha. So let us see, we're performing minus operation on these two select statements. So here the operation is minus, run. Here you go, Bhavna and Radha. So this is with set operations. I hope you all understand. If not, watch the video again. And now there are some rules to perform set operations on that select statements. The rules are same data type. I have written here, right? It should have same data type columns. The joins can have different data type columns, but here it should have same data type columns. Let us say here I am giving some e name and here I am giving some EPH. Okay, so let us perform union operation, any operation you wish. So here I have some character data and here have integer data. Actually phone number is all string data in real time. I mean no one would give integer to phone numbers, but here as per our convenience I have given integer. So these two are different data types, right? One is character and one is integer. So this is not allowed. If you run it, it would produce error. Okay, actually it's not so specific. Let me run again. Yeah, expression must have same data type as corresponding expression. So here this expression contains character data and this expression contains integer data. So it is impossible. Let us say if I give second case e name with e phone number and here e phone number with e name. Of course here we have same kind of data types. One is character, one is integer and one is integer and one character. But here the order is different, right? So I am going to get error again. Expression must have same data type as corresponding. The same error is displayed. So make sure that you would give same data type columns, same data type columns. Okay. Previously we have given asterisk, right, which would bring all the records. So that's why it runs successfully. But here I am giving different columns with different data types. It is not going to work. So better you follow the rules. Okay, same data type. What if I give e phone number? So let me first check. Ename. Same data type, right? Ename is character, ename is character. Okay, these are simple tables. So that's why they are not going to be so effective to understand. You can go with your own database, your own tables. Okay, let me give e phone number, eid. First of all, eid, and here in e phone number. Both are here integer, right? So in this case, eid is different column, e phone is different column, but still they both are integer data type only. So now it is going to get the results. Yes. Okay, let me run again. Yes, it is producing results because both the columns are same data type. Of course, the columns are different, but the data type is same, right? Data type is same data type of data. Okay, but the thing is, it is meaningless. What does it mean? EID 88898 some again 3010. What is this? Meaningless data, right? Yes. Therefore, it is not recommended. Actually, not about recommendation. I mean, based on your requirement, you better give the queries. Okay. But if we give different data types in join, the queries, the results are going to be meaningful. While join operations, we are going to learn getting data of different data type. Okay, but here with the set operations, you need to give same data type only. Okay, and I have also told you and at what kind of scenarios you need to go with set operations. Okay, fine.